Hello my dear students, welcome back to our maths class of grade 3. So children, take out your maths discovering book of grade 3. So children, now open your page number 75. Page number 75. Okay. So children, in our previous class we completed our 7th chapter. Which one it is? Subtraction of 4-digit numbers. Okay. So children, in our today's class we are going to begin chapter number 8, addition and subtraction together. How to solve addition and subtraction together. Okay. Let's see. So children, before that we have to know the new words of this chapter. Okay. Sum means the result of these two numbers is known as sum. Addition of, while we are adding addition, we will get one result. That result is known as sum. So the first number 4567, this first number is called addend 1. Okay. The second number 2358, the second number is called addend 2. So this is addend 1 and this is addend 2. The result of these two, the sum of these two number is known as sum. Okay, the result of these two number is known as sum. Okay, next one, difference. The result of subtraction is known as difference. The result of subtraction is known as difference. Okay, so the first number in subtraction, the first number is known as minuend, the second number is known as subtrahend. Okay, second number is known as subtrahend, the first number is known as minuend. Okay, the result of these two numbers is known as difference of these two numbers in subtraction. Okay, so children, let's see one example. Addition and subtraction together. How to solve the problems on addition and subtraction together. Here we have addition sign also and subtraction sign also. Okay, so the first number is 556 plus 438 minus 512. So children, add the first two numbers. First we need to add these two numbers, 556 plus 432. So first which sign we have here? We have addition sign. So we need to solve first addition using these two numbers. Okay, so 556 plus 438. First arrange these numbers in the place chart. Okay, according to their place value. Okay, 556 and 438. So in one's place we have 6 and 8. So 6 plus 8 become how much? 14. So write one carry over tens place and write down 4 under the column of ones. Next, in tens place we have 1 10, 5 tens and 3 tens. So 1 plus 5 becomes 6. 6 plus 3 become how much? 9. So write 9 under the column of tens. Next, in hundreds place we have 5 and 4. So 5 hundreds, 4 hundreds is equals to how much? 900. So 5 plus 4 is equals to 9. So the sum of these two numbers is equals to how much? 994. So now we got sum. Yes. So next step what you will do? Still we have here subtraction. Okay. Step 2. Subtract the next number from the sum. So how much we got sum? 994. Now subtract this sum with this next number, that is 512. Okay, 994 minus 512. Now subtract these two numbers. In one's place we have 4 and 2. So 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. In tens place we have 9 and 1. So 9 minus 1 is equals to 8. Next, in hundreds place we have 9 and 5. So 9 minus 5 is equals to how much? 4. So the answer is 482. The difference of these two numbers is equals to how much? 482. So the total result 556 plus 438 minus 512 is equals to how much? 482. Understood? So children, now I am going to solve the second question of this practice zone 1. Okay. So here they have given three numbers, 5319, 4612 and 3170. Okay, and they have given addition and subtraction together. So children, first which sign we have here? We have subtraction sign. So first we need to subtract these two numbers. Okay, so first write these numbers in this place chart. Okay, 5319. The next number is 4612. Yes, first subtract these two numbers. 9 minus 2 is equals to how much? Yes, 9 minus 2 is equals to 7. In tens place we have 1 and 1. So 1 minus 1 is equals to how much? 0. X. So children, in hundreds place we have 3 and 6. So we cannot subtract this 3 with 6 because 3 is less than 6. So regroup the next digit, that is thousands place. So 5 as 4, this 3 as 13. Yes. So now tell me 13 minus 6 is equals to how much? 7. So write 7 under the column of hundreds. Okay, so in thousands place we have 4 and 4. So 4 minus 4 become how much? 0. So how much we got? 707. So the difference of these two numbers is equal to how much? 0707. It means 707. So children, in next step we need to add this difference and this next number. Okay, so first we will write this difference, that is 0707. Otherwise you can leave this 0 and write 707, 707. Okay, so which number you will add now? 3170. So write 3170. Yes, so in ones place which digits we have? 7 and 0. So 7 plus 0 becomes 7 only. Next, in tens place we have 0 and 7. So 0 plus 7 again 7. Next, in hundreds place we have 7 and 1. So 7 plus 1 become 8. In thousands place we have 0 and 3. So 0 plus 3 become 3. So the sum of these two numbers is equals to how much? 3877. So write here 3877. So this is the result of these numbers. 5319 minus 4612 plus 3170 is equals to how much? 3877. So children understood how to solve addition and subtraction together. First we have to check in this number which sign they have given first? Subtraction. It means we have to do subtraction first. We have to subtract these two numbers first. We will get one answer. We have to take that difference and we have to add with that next number. Here we have plus sign. It means we have to add the next digit, next number with this result difference. Understood? So children, let's solve word problems on this addition and subtraction together. Okay, so the first question they have given here, there are 8967 people in a town. In that town how many people are there? 8967 people. Okay, now 3546 people are men and 2789 are women. Rest of them are children. Find out how many children are there. So children, total number of people is equals to how much? 8967. And in that how many men are there? 3546. So the number of men is equals to how much? 3546. And total number of women how much? 2789. Yes, so now we need to find out how many children are there. So how you will calculate? If we add these two numbers, we will get the total number of men and women. Okay, so we will subtract that with this total number of people. Then we will get total number of children. So see here, number of men is equals to how much? 3546. Next, number of women is equal to 2789. Now add these two numbers. 6 plus 9 become 15. So 1 plus 4 become 5. 5 plus 8 become 13. So in hundreds place we have 157. So 1 plus 5 6. 6 plus 7 13. So write 1 carry over thousands place and write down 3 under the column of hundreds. In thousands place we have 132 So 1 plus 3 become 4, 4 plus 2 become 6. Understood? So the total number of men and women is equals to how much? 6335. Okay, if we will subtract this total number with this total people, we will get the total number of children. Yes, the total number of people in the town is equals to how much? 8967 here. Next, total number of men and women is equals to how much? 6335. So now we will subtract these two numbers. So the total number of children in the town is equals to how much? 2632. 7 minus 5 is equals to 2. 6 minus 3 is equals to 3. 9 minus 3 is equals to 6. 8 minus 6 is equals to C. Okay. 8 minus 6 is equals to 2. So children, see here, hence the number of children in the town are 2632. 8967 minus bracket 3546 plus 2789. If we add these, we have to add these two numbers and we have to subtract with the total number of people. Okay, so the total result is equals to how much? 2632. Understood? So children, let's all practice zone 2. Okay, Ramesh has to travel a distance of 8570 kilometers. So the total distance is equals to how much? 8570 kilometers. He covers a distance of 2235 kilometers in the first week. In first week, how many kilometers he completed? He covers 2235. Okay, in second week, how many kilometers he covers? He covers 2401 kilometer in the second week. Find out how many more kilometers does he have to travel in the third week. Okay, so children, see this equation. Ramesh has to travel distance of 8570 kilometer. Okay, in first week he covers 2235 kilometer. In second week he covers 2401 kilometer. Now we need to find how many kilometers he does have to travel in the third week. If we add these two, first week and second week, so we will get one result. We need to subtract that with this 8570. So now we will get the answer. In third week, how many kilometers you have to travel. Understood? So children, use this equation and solve this practice zone 2. First we need to add these two numbers. Okay, we will get one sum. So we have to subtract this 8570 with that sum. So then only we will get the total kilometers. Total kilometers you have to travel in the third week. Understood? So children, now let us discuss about missing digits. How to find the missing digits? Let us learn how to find the missing digits in the addition sum. Fill in the digits. So see here they have missed tens place and hundreds place of the second number. Okay, so children, in first step, add the digits at ones place. So in ones place we have 3 and 6. So we need to add those numbers first. So see here, 3 plus 6 will become how much? 9. Next, in tens place we don't have any digits. We have only 5. So which number we have to write here to get 8? Yes, to get 8 we need to add 3. 3 plus 5 become 8. Understood? Next, in hundreds place we have only 2. They have missed the one more 100 digit. Okay, so how much we need to add to get 2? So what we need to add? Here 0. So 2 plus 0 become 2 only. So see here children, step 3, at hundreds place subtract, add in 2 from the sum. So 2 minus 0 becomes 2 plus 0 become 2 only. So next we have to write the thousands place. In thousands place we have 4 and 2. So add these two numbers. 4 plus 2 become 6. Understood how to write the missing digits in addition? So children, let's all practice zone 3. Okay, the first problem of this practice zone 3. Fill in the missing digits in addition. Okay, it is about addition. So children, see here ones digit. In ones place they have given only 1. So which number we have to write here to get 7? Which number we will write? 6. So 6 plus 1 becomes 7. We are discussing about addition. Okay. So 6 plus 1 becomes 7. To get 7, we have to write here 6. Yes. We have to add this 6 with 1. We will get 7. Next, in tens place we have only 5. Here they have not given any digit. So it is missing digit. So we have to find the missing digit of this tens place. So how much we have to write here to get 14? So children, 5 is less than 4. It means we have to write here larger number. Larger means bigger number, that is more than 5. So if we add 9 to this 5, how much we will get? 14. So write 4 under the column of tens and write one carry over hundreds place. Yes. So children, next, in hundreds place they have not given any number. So they have missed one digit. So 1 plus 8 become 9 only, but here they have given 3. It means one carry is already carry over here thousands place. So how much we have to write here? Which digit we have to write here to get 13? So 8 plus 1 become 9. To become 13, how much we need to add? Yes, we need to add 4. So 1 plus 4 become 5. 5 plus 8 become 13. So 1 carry over thousands place. Write 3 under the column of hundreds. Understood? So children, next one, thousands place. In thousands place we have 1 and 2. So 1 plus 2 become 3. To get 9, how much we need to add still? Tell me. Yes, 6. So 6, 3, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 6 become 9. Understood? To get 9, we need to add here 6. So children, in this way we have to find the missing digits in addition. Let's see one subtraction problem. Yes, in ones place they have given 8 and 9. So children, we cannot subtract this 8 with 9 because 8 is less. 8 is smaller than 9. 8 is less than 9. So we have to regroup this 4 as 3, this 8 as 18. So 18 minus 9 become how much? 9 only. Yes. In tens place we have 3 and 3. So 3 minus 3 become 0. So in hundreds place they have given only 3. Only one digit they have given. To get 2, which digit we have to subtract with this 3? Yes, to get 2 we need to subtract with 1 using this 3. So 3 minus 1 become how much? 2. In thousands place we have 5. If we subtract any number with this, which number we have to subtract with this 5 to get this 1? Yes, we need to subtract this 4 with this 5 to get 1. So 5 minus 4 become 1. Understood? So children, let's solve one more problem on this subtraction. We have to find the missing digits in this subtraction problem. Okay. So in ones place they have given only one digit, that is 8. Yes. To get 9, how much we have to, which digit we have to write here to get 9? So if we subtract this 7, if we take 7 minus 8, it's not comes because 7 is less than 8. Yes. So we have to regroup this 7 as 17. 17 minus 8 become how much? 9. Yes or no? 17 minus 8 become 9. So children, here what we have to take, which number we have to take to get 8? If we will take 4, yes, if we will take 4, we will already regroup this 4 as 3 because we have already taken one tens to this ones. So that 7 becomes 17. So 17 minus 8 become 9. So see here children, here we have 3 and 5. Yes, we cannot subtract this 3 with 5 because 3 is less than 5. So regroup this next digit, 3 as 2, this 3 as 13. So 13 minus 5 become how much? 13 minus 5 become 8. Yes or no? So next 2, 9. So again we cannot subtract this 2 with 9 because 2 is less than 9. So regroup this 8 as 7, this 2 as 12. So 12 minus 9 become how much? 3. Yes or no? 12 minus 9 become 3. Yes, in thousands place we have 7 and 6. So 7 minus 6 become 1. So the difference of these two numbers is equals to 1389. So here they have missed 2 digits, that is 4 and 7. So children understood how to find the missing digits in addition and subtraction. So children, let's solve one more example on this addition. Okay, so in ones place they have given only 9. So how we will get 0 if we add any digit to 9? So children, if we add 1 to this 9, we will get 10. So how we will write that 10? 1 carry over tens place and write 0 under the column of ones place. Yes, again in tens place we have 1 and 8. So 1 plus 8 become 9. So here they have given 4. It means it is 14. So 14 means it is 1 carry over hundreds place. They have written only 4. So how we will get 14? Which digit we will get here to get 14? Which digit we have to write here? Tell me. 9 plus 5 will become 14. So we have to write here 5. So 1 plus 5 becomes 6. 6 plus 8 become 14. So write 1 carry over hundreds place and write down 4. They have already written 4. So they have not given any carry here. We need to write here. Okay. So 1 plus 2 become 3. To get 5, which digit we have to write here? Yes. Which digit? 2. 1 plus 2 become 3. 3 plus 2 become 5. Yes. Next in thousands place they have given 4 and 3. So 4 plus 3 become how much? 7. So children, which digits they have missed here? 5 and 2 and 1. So the sum of these two numbers is equals to how much? 7540. Understood? So children, in this way you have to find the missing digits. You have to see front also, you have to see back side also. If they have given any less number here, means if they have given small digit, it means one carry is already carry over here in next place. Understood? So children, in this way you have to find the missing digits. So children, complete this practice zone 3. So children, chapter number 8 is completed, that is addition and subtraction together. Okay, so children, here only ends our today's class. So complete your practice zone 1, 2, 3. Okay, so children, do your homework properly and send it to me. See you next class. Take care. Bye.